Hello, everyone. I'm Xingyu Zhou. I'm the TA of this Principles of Software Engineering course. So, as Professor Huang has mentioned, our assignment 6 is is asking students to take part in an open source project and try to participate in improving the open source project. In order to take part in this kind of open source projects, it's very necessary to first get to know how they take control of their project progress. That is, they are working on a software system, so they are using a source software code version control. So the most popular version control tool is the Git. So today we are going to give a very brief tutorial for how to use Git for this homework assignment 6. So the very first question is, what is Git? So as I just mentioned, that Git is for version control. You can say it is a tool or a service. So the interesting, the very most first question would be, why do we need this kind of version control? Um, the This is very straightforward because currently the development of the software systems has become really fast, and we can see larger scale software systems, and also because the internet is very developing very fast these days. We can also see that not only the scale of the software system is becoming larger, the teams, the scale of the teams that's involved in this kind of system development are becoming larger. So the version control is a type of goal that aims to help maintain and track the progress of a software system that may involve multiple machines and multiple developers. And of course, there may be many different descriptions on this goal, but simply we can say that the version of the version control may involve different levels of complexity, and of course, the more complex the software system involved, this development process needs to be tracked using this kind of service like Git. The next question would be, so what is the relationship between the Git and the website we mentioned, GitHub? This is also very straightforward. So Git is a version control tool or service, and correspondingly, GitHub is a website. It's actually a service host website for this kind of version control service. The advantage of GitHub is that it allows more straightforward communication between developers, and this allows more interactive, more interactive open source project communications. And having talked about what is Git and why we need Git, we go into the most basic and I would say the most critical concepts.